Hello, my name is Malombe Victor. I am the CEO of AHAINNOVATE Limited. We have our flagship product here called AHAKit, which is basically a smart mobile learning library, which is portable. You can carry it where you want for you and make a library. Basically, here we have a set of digital learning gadgets, including tablets, a projector, smart mobile projector, and also a server, which is basically a digital library with tons of content and an antenna for Wi-Fi access, offline Wi-Fi access, and a solar system to charge this kit. It has batteries inside which you can charge all these gadgets and power them. So this specific kit has 10 tablets, and these tablets are used by learners in class to interact with the digital learning content, which is stored in this digital library. We preload it with interactive digital learning content, which is approved by the Ministry of Education, KICD. We also have tons of digital content from open educational resources like Khan Academy, Ubongo Kids, offline Wikipedia, so much that this is used by learners as supplementary and support material. So this solution works perfectly in rural schools where we don't have electricity and where we don't have internet access. So offline learning is very, very key. It's very important because you don't need to worry about the dangers of internet. We are continuing to do innovation. Currently, we are working on AI. We want to integrate offline AI models in our system so that learners can access even these chat-based large language models like the way ChatGPT works, but in an offline and safe environment. And this we will be able to train the model so that it is suitable for education. And also, it can also be able to reference the content which is already curated and uploaded in the system for the sake of credibility of the responses that we get from the AI system. Thank you.